Hey everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin crash or not and the lens of the NASDAQ US stocks. So some people say that this is a crash, okay? And for me, it's not a crash. Okay, you can find about the US 100. So first, you have this green line. Since the bull run and the all-time high in around November, December, this double top. Look, we draw this line is almost almost 10 months. In the 10th months that we just break. After we break, we retest, and so far we confirm as the support. Okay, so this is the first. And the second is, look, the people would say this is a crash. No, we just retesting back to the white one. The white is the let's type moving average 8 week or exponential moving average 8 week. So this is what the color white color means. Okay, and the next is look, we ever retest back to the yellow one and then we pump again. And in here we are not retesting. So far we are not even retesting to the yellow one. In here, and in here. So looks, this is just the normal correction in the last 3 days for the US 100. Okay, later we will talk about the Bitcoin. But remember, Bitcoin is following the US 100. Okay, therefore first the US 100 is still in the good condition and we just retest. So the potential, I hope that we still see the bull run at least until the late August in here. Okay, and but you need to remember, even that we are break, remember the market is still in the bad condition. Therefore I'm still waiting that just like this one. Okay, let's have look, we are going up and above the moving average in the weekly time frame, and after that we are crash. Now we are above in here again, and this is potential that we are going to crash again in the September. But for now, I'm still we are in the good condition. And how about the Bitcoin? The Bitcoin, we know that the Bitcoin just break from the green. The green is the exponential moving average 21 in the daily time frame. But you need to remember, after 21 we have 34, the last one. If look, we ever hold in here, hold in here, hold in here, and now we expect that we are hold in here. And so far that the Bitcoin, look, you are retesting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then in here you have 1, you have 2. Therefore this angle that most probably that's the very good support. And so far that today we just close around increase by 1% most likely. Therefore I think it's just not a crash, but it's a big sideways. Remember, in look, you have 2 days in here. This is first day and this is the second day. The second day, it's represent this whole time for the sideways. So it's just sideways around this one. Okay, it's not crash for me. And so far that we not yet break. So some people maybe draw like this one. Okay. Previously, I am also draw like this one, and we are break. But always remember there is so many ways how to draw the line. Therefore, it's up to you because I am still waiting, and I hope you maybe can draw like this one. Look, look, if you draw like this one, look, it's still possible that we are going to this one. But the idea is that I'm still optimistic about until at least the late August, we are still in the good condition, at least. But if you still say it's bearish, it's still possible. But the last time is about the Bitcoin divided by US 100. Okay, you can find in here, this is the Bitcoin over the US 100. So if the price is going up, so means you better to hold the Bitcoin. But if the price is going down, you better to hold the stocks. Now if you are zoom out like this one, look, we have in the mega big triangle, and we are potentially in the Q4, we are going back to crash like this one. So maybe like this one, look, this is the first, this is the second, the 1 and the 2. This is the first, and maybe this is the second. Okay, but before that, look, so if you zoom, oops, sorry, if you zoom in into daily time frame, look, Now you have the symmetrical triangle in here. The question is, where is it go? It can go up, or maybe it can break like this one. My guess that we can break up. Maybe we back to this level before we are going to down again. So back to this one. Okay, that's my suggest. But let's see. But so far today we have the good pump at least in the 1%. And now the market still not open in the US. You know that the US is the mover, the market maker. Okay, that's why I'm still waiting, and I hope that we are still going up because we need a better price to selling, right? And as I told you many times, the wave 4 maybe back around to this one, and after wave 4 we have the wave 5, the latest one. So I'm still in the previous Elliott wave theory, the 5 wave theory, because previously you have this is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So we have another wave 5 in here, the downtrend side. Okay, I think that's for today, and let's see about where is the close candle. And as I told you many times, this is not crash. This is just a normal correction like this one. This is not a crash. This is not a crash. This is not a crash. Now you can ask whether this is a crash or not. Okay, and I can be wrong, but I hope that we still have the September bull run. Why? Remember, Q4 is bad, and at least we need to retest. We need to proper retest in here before we are going down again, like this one. Look, in here we don't have to retest, always stick to the yellow color. In here we already, oh, I mean the white color. In here we can break the white color. And previously, from the history basis, look, we always retest. In here we retest, in here we break, and we are going to up. It's still possible that we are back. We are back in here, it's still possible. But I think if we are going back like this one, I'm not sure, because this is just, look, this is just around 6 months. But in here, we already since the this time, and the downtrend is very big. That's why I'm still hope that we are retest here first. Okay, I think that's for today, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.